Oh, hello?
Yes? Like what you smell in here, huh? A sandwich.
I'd like one.
Okay.
Oh, money?
Yes. About this much. Take it, okay?
I'd like one sandwich, please.
My pleasure. This is gonna be the best one you've ever had. I'm giving you the works, dude. Extra bacon, too. Just look at this beauty. Enjoy!
Wow, this looks great. Thanks. Huh?
What? You suddenly turned high-tech! Robots like subs, right? This is awesome!
It's really starting to look like a party in here. And to think I did it all myself. Phew, I sure hope Madison likes it. Can't forget to wrap her presents. And it looks professionally wrapped. Thank you very much. Oh, here she is now. Where do I put this thing? She won't see it here, right? Happy birthday! You're 1 year older! And it's time to celebrate!
Woohoo!
Oh no! Her present! That can't be good.
And my present?
Close your eyes, okay? What do I do? Anything salvageable down there? I know! I can turn this into something good. Use hot glue at the base of the square. Then place a piece on top, and do the same thing again. Then add a piece on its side. There! Then add some more pieces in the middle. Secure the stick with some glue. Then add this piece on top. Now put it back to standing. Then add a bunch of them all together. Add your own personal flair. Then in goes the candy. I'm picking all of Madison's faves. She's gonna love this. It's simply the perfect gift. Open your eyes. Here's to a sweet birthday, honey.
Are you kidding me? I want some gummy bears first! Cool! Red's my favorite color, too! This is the best birthday ever! Now onto some chocolate! This thing's huge!
Let me help you with these over there. Just tell me when.
Whoa! It's all mine!
Some sweets for my sweetie. Phew.
Making it rain! It's what I do all day, people! Oh yeah! I've got so much money, baby!
Looks like we have a little cleanup. I'll help you with that, dear. Oh! Please, no more, I insist.
No more? Nobody tells me what to do!
Oh my goodness! That's quite enough, Madison! Now get back here, I said! Ugh! Slow down! I'm too old for this nonsense! Phew.
Aw, too bad you're really old.
What did I do to deserve this? Ugh. Wait. I know how to stop the madness. All I need is a little cardboard. Put 2 pegs in the middle of the square. And put springs on top of them. Now place this piece on top. Then add these extra pieces around it. Aren't these eyes funny? A little color doesn't hurt either. Want to see what I made? He's kinda cute, huh? Watch and learn. You hungry little guy? Eat up.
What? You've gotta let me try! It's unbelievable! Yay! It worked!
Yes, indeed. And look who's picking up coins now. A lot more fun this way, huh?
Yeah! I'm sure he's getting hungry. This is so fun!
Ah. Oh. Here you go.
Okay, class. Who wants to help me up here? Let me see here.
What? I'm the only one here today. Who else is there?
Okay, you.
Of course.
I know you're up for the challenge.
I'll give it my best shot, miss.
That's all I can ask for. Okay. Oh, that is, interesting. But no need to worry. I'll just make a few adjustments.
Now, why don't you try this again? Okay, I guess. I don't know what's so hard about this. Just trace the letters like this? I'm still gonna get an A on this. That's a 4. Then one more. Looks like I'm all finished. Oops. A little blunder there. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. I hate to do this, but… Oh, I think this ought to help me. Here you go, Teach. Well… let's try this one more time. Let's see. Oh, I think I found a solution to the problem. Don't need that. But this'll do. Yep. Just start with a long triangle and draw the numbers on one side. Okay, I'm back. Use this. Oh, I definitely don't need that. Sorry, I forgot one detail. First, we need a little sprinkle. Just look at all those things go. And now, we've got some pretty numbers. See? Wow, I appreciate all that bling. Then let's try this one more time, shall we? Now you know what to do. Watch this magic. Smooth as butter. Wouldn't you agree? Now let's lift off the stencil. And would you look at that? Those are some sick numbers. And you know what that means. A+. That's right. Give it up for me. Man, I sure am hungry today. Oh well. Now back to work. Or maybe I should clean these. Come on. Don't procrastinate. Ahem. Honey! Oh, there you are.
Yes!
Time for you to do some cleaning.
I don't think so. I just did my chores, see?
Ugh.
It's your turn, Dad.
Let me think about that one. Actually, that cardboard's about to save the day. I've got a very good idea. Once these cuts are made, use hot glue along the edge here. Then attach these pieces to it. Once you've done all of them, use the clothespin at the bottom. And place these little signs around. And that's how it's done, folks. What do you say we play some pinball?
Cool!
Loser has to clean the dishes.
Oh! It is so on!
Why don't you go first, Madison?
Go!
Oh, get it around the bend. Almost there.
20 points! Yes!
Okay, let me give it a go here. Ha! Oh no.
Looks like you're doing the dishes, Daddy-o. Better luck next time.
Ugh.
How's it going, Dad? Room for one more? Thank you!
Pinball? What was I thinking? Oh, time to hit the hay. This feels incredible.
You guys ready for some shredding? I'm gonna make your ears bleed!
Madison! It's far too late for rock and roll.
Look what I learned!
Please, I need to get some sleep.
Fine. Maybe if I just play quietly?
Ugh. This is gonna be a long night.
Woohoo! This one's for all my fans! Yeah!
That's enough! Is that the box Madison's guitar came in? This is the answer to my prayers! Hope is finally in sight. Meet my cardboard guitar. See this? Now it's in half. Place them here. And use this pick to make some holes. Then use string to create, well, strings. In you go. Tape them down so they stay put. Now use some hot glue all over the back. And it's done! Looks like the real deal, right? Here goes nothing. I'll trade you this for this. That went more smoothly than I thought it would. Sweet relief. Nighty-night, my little rock star.
Woo! So this is my home. Wow, it's huge. Oh no. Sit down. Whoa. You got so many toys. And a lot of money. What do you have? It's not that impressive. Is that it? Yeah. This is my monkey. Yikes. Look at all those bags. You're so lucky. They're amazing. Wow. Yeah, I need a new bag every day. I want a closer look. I've never seen so many handbags. They're so pretty. Ooh, look at this one. What are you doing? Excuse me. Give me that. This is really expensive. Look at those grubby fingerprints. I just have this plastic bag. I never have nice things. Oh, I wonder what's in that box. Where are you going now? Look at all this cool stuff! That's just garbage. I could use this box. Give me a minute. Look at my new bag! Ooh! I love it! Where did you get it? I need to have it! Take it. Oh my gosh, this is the best! It's my new favorite! Thanks so much! Maybe we could do a trade? I should have known there was a catch. I suppose it's only fair. But I'm not happy. Here, you can take this. For real? It's yours. Anyway, I have this. It's not fitting on the shelf. I've changed my mind. Annie? She was right here. Oh, hi, Mom. Hi, sweetie. It's so good to see you both. I have something for you. I thought we could let our hair down and have some fun. Whoa, thanks. This is awesome! But I'm not exactly dressed for a party. Hold on, I'll see what I can wear. I must have some nice clothes. Don't worry, we'll find something. What's this? Maybe not. It's on the small side. What else is there? I don't remember buying this. But it looks like it'll fit. Whose are these? Give me those! Pretend you never saw them. Anyway, I better get dressed. This is a bit of a squeeze. Let me help. It's pointless. I can't get it over my bum. What am I gonna do? I think I have an idea. I know how to fix this. But I need some supplies. We should probably clean before the baby arrives. Okay, ready for a makeover? Slip this over your head. Okay, now what? I can't go out like this. I'm not finished. Don't move. I need to get artistic. You're gonna look so pretty. Do you really think so? We're almost finished. What do you think? Wow, it's amazing! I feel like a model! Just don't wear it when it's raining. Ooh, this will match it perfectly! Really? For me? I feel so glamorous! Thank you! Come on, let's go! This is gonna be fun! No one's looking, so now's my chance to get a snack. Ugh, why is this bag so difficult to open? Come on, I need snacks! Oh no! The bag's split in half! There go all my hopes and dreams for a tasty snack! Hey look! Free candy! Let's get it! Stop! That's my candy! Get out of here! Oh, there's one left for me! Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? This is so frustrating. Oh gosh, everyone stole all her candy. Maybe I can help her. What the heck are you doing? Psst! Hey, I've got a solution to your candy problem. Take a look at this. It's my little piggy. Go on, push his nose. See? It's a candy dispenser. I'll show you how I made him. I started with some pieces of cardboard like this. Then I attached 3 more. Then I added this base piece. This next part requires more cardboard, of course. But also some small towels. We need this shape, another dowel, and 2 small rubber bands. This is now ready to go inside the box we're building. It should fit easily. I'm gonna slide it down and hook the rubber band on these dowels here. I'm using some tweezers to help make it a little easier. Don't forget to set the rubber band on the other side too. Then I push it back and the candy slides right out. Great! Now let's cover it up and add some little ramps pointing down. We'll want to cover the front too so it's prettier. We're on the home stretch. I added this plastic case to hold the candy. And then a cute little lid so the candy doesn't spill everywhere. Look! It even pops open so you can put in more candy when needed. Ooh! Look at how delicious it is. Close the lid and then it's time to add some decorations. Wow! First off, this candy's great. But secondly, that pig is so cute. Alright, I better scooch back over to my desk now. Vroom, vroom, vroom! I'm totally gonna win this race. No one can stop me now. Bye, Susan. I'll see you for our lunch next week. Gosh, what a fun afternoon. It's always nice hanging out with friends. Mom put her car keys right over there. Well, I guess I better start getting dinner ready. What if I… just sneak a little closer. She can't see me behind these flowers. What was that noise? It sounded suspicious. No one's there. Time to switch from flowers to this bigger fern. Yoink! Tiptoe, tiptoe, tippy-toe. I'm here! I got the car keys! Wow. Real keys. Time to drive a real car! Woo! Best day ever! Ugh, let me go! I wasn't driving that fast.
Ma'am, are these yours?
Oh no! Not my baby! And not my car! Ugh, okay. I just need to do something else to get my car racing fixed. I've got this piece of cardboard, so let me cut out some shapes. And now it's time to add some glue on top like this. And then the bottom. I'm gonna stick another matching piece on top. Good. And now I'll just do the same thing with the glue as before. Adding a third piece on top should do it. This one has no hole in the middle. What's the next step? More glue, of course. And then putting another piece of cardboard on that one too. There we go. That should finally be enough layers for this project. Now it's time to add some paint, because that's the most fun part. I really love this orange color. It's so bright and pretty. And done. I'm putting a phone case in there. I measured beforehand, so it's a perfect fit. We've got more cardboard pieces and more glue now. And of course we'll be putting them together for more layers. This next part is a bit tricky because I want this piece glued at an angle like so. And then I just need for it to dry. Once it does though, I can paint it. Time to put it all together. It'll just slide in place with this battery. Ta-da! I made my own steering wheel holder for my phone. Vroom, vroom! Yeah, I'm in first place! No one can catch me! This is the best game ever! And the best steering wheel, too! Vroom!
School is so boring. I'll do some online shopping. Oh wow, so cute. Sunny's obviously talking about me. I do look cute. I'm glad I found this cardboard in the dumpster. I don't have any notebooks. Annie. My heart flutters anytime you're near. Take this as a token of my love. Mwah. Oh. Wow! A gold poppet. Cool. Wait. Look at this. It's huge. I love it. Whoa. She's so lucky. Boys never bring me gifts. That's what impresses you? Please. It's so basic. I'll show you a real poppet. Prepare to be amazed. Well, what do you think? Are those diamonds?
Oh my god.
It's amazing! You've gotta be kidding me! I only want the best. It was made especially for me. That's unbelievable! I've got an idea. I need my old chewing gum. It's still full of flavor. Delicious! Now to blow a bubble. I can't let it burst. So far so good. I'll stick it to the cardboard. I'm gonna need a lot more bubbles. You know, this is fun. That should do it. My very own poppet. It's great! Excited to try some of these cardboard hacks? Let us know how it goes. And don't forget to share this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.